It is deadline day if you want health care to start at the new year. You only have until 3 a.m. to either sign up or renew your plans through healthcare.gov. While today is the deadline, if you want coverage on January 1st, open enrollment doesn't end until February 15th. We know some of you still have a lot of questions about your coverage, and that is why Michelle Fitzgerald joins us right now from Cherry Health. Appreciate your time. A lot of panicked people calling you?
Yeah, we've been busy today. A lot of phone calls.
I bet. So do you have any tips for anyone who might have procrastinated, let's say, about signing up or renewing their coverage? What do they need to keep in mind today?
Well, I would say, first of all, there is still time. So today, of course, is the deadline if you want your coverage to begin January 1st or if you want to change that for an effective date of January 1st. But you do still have time to actually complete the enrollment process or to update your profile, change your income, whatever it may be. You do still have until February 15th. So if you have waited, you can still try to get through tonight. There's even still time tonight, but don't panic. There's still a few more weeks of this.
Okay. So then what happens if you were signed up this year and you don't do anything?
Well, it depends a little bit on how you initially filled out your application. There was the option to have your coverage automatically renewed. I will say many people did choose this, whether you remember or not. You might have. You would have gotten a letter from your insurance company kind of letting you know that your coverage would continue into 2015, or you may have just received a bill or an invoice for that January coverage month.
Oh, okay. So how much more are people paying, do you think, for premiums this year or next year compared to this year?
Well, overall, you do see premiums rise each year. Overall, this was a pretty good year, they say. The increase was less, but it really depends on the plan. Now, even if you did choose to auto-renew, you can go back to the marketplace and kind of shop around a little bit more. There are a couple new carriers on the marketplace this year, a couple of new plans. So you may, even if your current plan went up in price, you may be able to find something that's still affordable for you.
Okay, so the key is to get in there and look around, right? Last year, we know there were a lot of problems with that site. What about this year? What have you experienced so far?
This year, we are seeing, by and large, very smooth.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, very smooth access to the site. Now, we have seen, a couple times during really heavy traffic times, it'll slow down a little bit, but by and large, it is running very smoothly.
So the bottom line is, if you haven't done anything, you have until 3 a.m. tonight to go online and update if you want January 1st coverage.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can renew and by February 15th, and you would keep the same coverage until then.
Yes.
Okay. And Cherry Health has been so busy, I bet, right?
Yes.
With a lot of, helping a lot of people, a lot of calls.
But we do still, we had a lot of people today, but we do still have, open appointments this week. So, we'd be happy to help you, happy to field your phone calls, answer whatever questions we can to help make this process easier for you.
Thank you. Michelle Fitzgerald from Cherry Health. We thank you.
Thank you.